pussy, huh? Yeah, have fun with it, you fucking lady with the tattoo. Have fun with your friends in there. I don't like it at all. I don't like to be fucked. I don't like hands on my body to get a fucking drink served to me. Fucking little weasels. I got my own goddamn money. I don't need someone buy me a Long Island iced tea asking me if I have a pussy. You might as well be like the fucking sheriffs. Well, to use hand sanitizer, if you want a girl, I've socked you in your face, and if the fucks get socked in the face when they're out of duty, don't be crying to me. Don't be crying to me when 187 happens. Or come lick my pussy. I've traveled from the fucking library to come lick my vagina to come lick my pussy. I don't have a pussy, you fuck. I have a vagina. You want to see it?
Ha ha ha!